Communicable Diseases. Chapter 8. What are communicable diseases? Pathogens, living organisms or particles that can cause disease. Communicable disease, a disease caused by pathogens that can be spread from person to person. Can you think of any communicable diseases? Types of pathogens. Viruses, microscopic particles that can reproduce inside living cells. Examples: the common cold, the flu, hepatitis A, B, and C. Bacteria, one-celled organisms that live almost everywhere on Earth. Most bacteria are harmless, but some can cause diseases such as strep throat, gonorrhea, tuberculosis, Lyme disease, and anthrax. Types of pathogens. CONT'D. Fungi, living organisms that have some characteristics of plant cells but cannot make their own food. Causes diseases such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Protozoa, one-celled organisms that are larger and more complex than bacteria. Examples: malaria and toxoplasmosis. How pathogens enter the body. Direct contact, touching, kissing, or other close contact with a person who carries a pathogen. Indirect contact, contact with objects used by a person who has a pathogen. Using a needle that has infected blood on it. Inhaling air, eating food, or drinking liquid that carries pathogens. Being bitten by an animal or insect that carries pathogens. Your body's defense. Immune system, organs, tissues and cells that destroy pathogens. First line of defense: mucus traps pathogens from entering the body. Cilia, tiny hairs inside air passages that trap some pathogens that exit the body when you exhale or sneeze. Second line of defense: stomach acid, fever, white blood cells. Antibodies, protein substances in blood that can find, weaken or destroy certain pathogens. Third line of defense: immunity, resistance to a particular disease. Vaccine, dead or weakened pathogens given for immunity. Common childhood vaccines: polio, pertussis, measles, chickenpox, diphtheria, tetanus.